In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around images in Microsoft Word. Wrapping text is a great way to make your documents look more professional and easier to read. Instead of having images just sit above or below your paragraphs, you can place them alongside your text so everything flows nicely on the page. Let's walk through how to do this step by step. First, open your document in Microsoft Word and insert the image you want to use. You can do this by going to the Insert tab at the top, choosing Pictures, and then selecting the image from your computer or online sources. Once you've inserted it, the image will usually appear with the text above and below it, not wrapped. Next, click once on the image to select it. When it's selected, you'll see small handles or circles around the edges, and a new tab will appear at the top called Picture Format or Picture Tools, depending on your version of Word. This is where all the layout and style options for your image live. Now, with the image still selected, look for the Wrap Text button. It's usually in the Arrange group on the Picture Format tab. Click Wrap Text and you'll see several options. The main ones you'll use are Square, Tight, and Through. Square will wrap the text in a box shape around your image, which is the most common choice. Tight hugs the image a bit more closely, especially if it has a non-rectangular shape. Through allows text to flow through any transparent areas of the image, which is useful for more complex designs. Choose Square first to see how it looks. As soon as you click it, your text will jump into place, wrapping neatly around the image. You can then click and drag the image to different parts of your document, and the text will automatically reflow around it. If you want the image on the left with text on the right, just drag it to the left margin, and Word will handle the rest. If you need more control, click Wrap Text again and choose More Layout options. Here you can adjust the distance between the text and the image on each side, which helps keep things readable and not too cramped. Finally, take a moment to scroll through your document and make sure the wrapped text looks good on each page. Adjust the size or position of the image if needed, and try different wrap styles until you're happy with the overall layout.